Roof Maxx of Hattiesburg, Mississippi wishes everybody a happy and prosperous 2025. Happy New Year!
What's up, everyone? Austin with Roof Maxx, Greenville, Ohio here. Just wanted to wish everyone a happy new year.
Happy New Year from Roof Maxx of Murfreesboro, Tennessee.
Hey, just wanted to wish everyone a happy new year from your Roof Maxx friends up here in the Pacific Northwest. Have a great year.
Hey y'all, it's Hayden with Roof Maxx Leander here. I just want to wish everybody a happy new year and let's start this year off right.
Hey everybody, this is James Canada, Roof Maxx of Deltona, Florida.
And this is Gage Canada.
We're wishing you and your family and all your loved ones a safe and happy new year.
Happy New Year.